Let's go. Today I'm gonna be drifting my what's it called? A race car type thing from Fast and Furious, if you've seen that movie. Is it working? Yeah. You might not see my face in this a little bit because I'm gonna need to see the actual car. Oh, that's trash. That's so trashy. You ever seen it in movies where they go like this? And they try to make it look cool without hitting everything. Honestly, if I land this flip, 10 likes. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That is 10 likes. Hopefully. Please. Ah! What the heck? I just pressed it for it to go back, not do it. That. I just pressed this button and then it does it. No! Parked, not parked, drifting. Oh, I got stuck. I'm gonna do that one thing again. Hopefully it does. It just turns around every time. I landed it. Let's go. Come straight form. Yeah. Oh, I almost landed it. Ooh, let's go. That's how cool kids do things. Oh my God. That's good enough. Oh, I need the break dance for my victory. Good enough. Ugh. Thank you for watching.